How far is it?
60 kilometers.
So 60 kilometers to reach Algeria this way. So that's the plan for tonight. Thanks. What's the plan for tonight?
Well, we'll see what the sky looks like. But we would like to try some stop motion light painting. If we still have the clouds, that would be nice. Because they would like move.
Kim made a beautiful T8 orange tube, and the reason for that is that we're shooting more and more after the blue hour, and I like to work with a T8 because I can dim down the single flashlight. It's a bit easier when there's only one flashlight in the tube, so I can hold the whole thing together. It's starting to
be pretty windy.
Starting to be pretty windy. We are here on the tallest dune of the area, trying to select where we're going to shoot tonight. I'm making faces behind this mask. You cannot see it. You can imagine it. Ah! Okay, we're going for this one here. Try to be around here. So we have that ridge here, and the sun's going to be on the left side, and this girl is going to be somewhere. Changing plans just a little bit, so you can see the sun here is between two dunes. So we'll try to do some centered shot. Every time I try, like, it works, I'm happy, and then I change my mind and I put you back on one side. Ok, reviens en ligne droite. Ouais. tonight we're gonna make more beautiful pictures because we'll be 100% dedicated to light painting. We'll not think about dinner.